Hello, my name is Miguel Murcia, and regarding the question about what job I would like to choose at this time, well, be to be a footballer since childhood. I trained this sport instilled by my father. It is a wonderful sport which can give you everything you want if you take it the professional level. I always wanted to be a famous footballer to help my family, to know different parts of the world and enjoy this beautiful profession. But unfortunately, things did not work out, and right now I am a policeman. It is a very complicated profession because it has so many contradictory things that make me feel happy at times and sad at others. The treatment of people, the different situations that are known, among others. However, my family and I feel proud of what I'm, despite the difficulties. I like my profession.